Good morning, friends. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Adab. This is my 223rd video. This will cover that there are many bungalow owners who are either willing to sell their bungalows, and there are many people who want to purchase these bungalows, OGBs or leaseholds, whatever. So these are many people approach me. So anybody who is willing to buy and sell and wants to contact me and want to take consultation on this, it is very clear that the seller who's now, let's say, who's in HOR in possession of the bungalow, or let's say the inheritors of the bungalow, they will send me all their documents from GLR, latest, old, new, who were their land record owners, who were their predecessors, if anything which they have done in the earlier days, from court cases to notices or PP Act. And once this comes to me, then I will draft a kind of a Janam Patri. But the charges here for the Janam Patri will not be taken. It will be only on a sale agreement. So now what all documents have to be made there by the seller is he will sign a will, an indemnity bond, a special power of attorney, a simple power of attorney, a sale agreement. So number of documents, and he will be sharing the names of the DOs, COs of his area, the office name. Let's say if it is from Jhansi, so the bungalow owner would tell me that it is the Bhopal jurisdiction Jhansi which comes under them. So once these documents reach me, I shall then make the sale agreement. This agreement will be made on the technical languages as written in the 1870 to 1940 registries in my hand under the Registration Act or the Governor General Orders of 1801. What language had to be written at that time? You will be surprised, the Registration Act 1908 or the 1877. In 1864, how were sale deeds taking place? So these acts will be mentioned, and this is how the sale agreement will be made. Special power of attorney, then general power of attorney. There's going to be a registered will which all his inherited family members will be signing. Family members will even be signing a relinquishment deed, duly registered, indemnity bond, receipt of payments. So these all documents will be registered in the tehsil where the bungalow is, not where the resident or the seller is or the buyer is. Where, let's say, if the bungalow is in Kasauli, so this all documentation will be done in Kasauli registrar office. Now for this, I just mentioned Janam Patri, which is already a part of it and will be done. But how will I take money? So 20,000 flows in first, and I start doing my first step. Then the minute this is done and we are moving ahead to make the sale agreements, I will be charging an initial amount of 50,000 rupees for sale agreements, and all documents to be made. An amount of expenditure which I just mentioned is going to be approximately 1.5 lakhs. So the total expense touches to about 2.2 lakhs. So the bungalow owner has to down payment me a 1 lakh rupee amount in my bank account, and then I would start his working, not otherwise. Because I just faced an experience where I documented all the records. See, I am not a property dealer. I am not an agent. I am a consultant. So I am not going to do anything without payments. Typing charges will be paid directly, whatever they are, to my typist. Any expenses in the registrar's office would be done by you independently. If I have to travel to your cantonment or the registrar's office, every travel expense will be on actual basis. If I have to stay or what, maybe I have to take the flight or a train, everything would be on actuals. So this will be given. So approximately the expenditure here touches to another 50,000-70,000 rupees. if it is a nearby cantonment. If it is a far off cantonment, I would prefer if you can get things done on your own. So this amount will be deposited in the name in my account, and then the sale agreements or the purchase agreements will be made. Thank you. Good day.